We're looking at mental disorders from a physics perspective. We're looking at mental disorders from a musical perspective. From
situational irony and verbal irony, because the fact that I'm crying is a verbal aspect of the video.
One is precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition. There's multiple. But
it's to illustrate the three-dimensional optical illusion that we perceive as three-dimensional art on a two-dimensional surface or canvas.
Drive. But subliminals in and of itself, it's quite conspicuous that there's some sort of biological evolution occurring with the X-Men. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream. Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Extrasensory perception. Looking cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.
What determines momentum? What determines